Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to show you how to cook a egusi. First of all, you put water on the grill, you on the light, then you allow the water to boil. When the water boil, you add your palm oil. This is just quick egusi soup. That's what I'm trying to show you. When you put the oil, you cover it. Then here contains the egusi, grinded egusi. I've put all the both crayfish, both pepper. I put everything. I put yellow pepper. I put everything. I have to add it water to mix it together. Can you see the yellow pepper? I put yellow pepper. I put fermented this thing. I put crayfish. Then the water have boiled. I have to put the egusi. I have to just put a little water up to mix the egusi. Put it, cover it, allow it to steam like 2 minutes. Open it, then put your stock fish. Make sure you wash the stock fish very well. You put it and cover it back and allow it to steam for some minutes again, like extra 2 minutes. Then check it back after 2 minutes. As you can see, it's boiling. You have to turn it again. That's how I cook my own. That's my own method of cooking egusi soup, and a very quick egusi soup. Using smoked fish. Here you can see maggi, seasoning cubes, seasoning cube and salt. I've added it together already, and I have to turn it. Then, as you can see, I want to put water now because the tea is thick. I have to put water, turn it, then I'll cover it back for it to steam. And this time I only have to leave it for like 10 minutes so that the egusi will done very well. Here is my smoked fish. I want to use smoked fish, so I have to remove all the bone, after the bone it, and wash it and keep it separate. Now after 10 minutes have passed. As you can see, the soup is getting ready. It's time for me to put the smoked fish. I've already washed it. Put it, turn it and cover it back. Guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, cover it and allow it to steam for another 10 minutes. 10 minutes have passed. It's time for me to put the vegetable. Oh, can you see how quick this soup is? Just 25 minutes or so, your egusi soup is ready. Guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload a video, people will see. And also turn on your button notification. Let me put the vegetable now. Once I put the vegetable, I'll just allow it to boil for 2 minutes. Then my egusi soup is ready. You can eat it with any one of your choice. You can eat it with eba, can eat it with fufu, semo, with any type of swallow you like, or even amala. If you are Yoruba or you like amala, can you see that my soup is ready? Yummy, yummy. Guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Wow, see how it's looking. That's just how I cook my egusi soup with smoked and stockfish. It's time to off the lights. Food is ready. Can you see how yummy it is? I don't like my egusi to be too thick, so I like it this way. Can you see how hot it is? Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye bye.